You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals negative 13 over 41. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Add 8m to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 5 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by negative 41. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is m equals negative 13 over 41.